Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Georgia, for those of you who are new, and to my regular subscribers, welcome back. So as you could tell from the title, we are going to review a headband wig. So this wig I got from Amazon, and it is this is how it came packaged. It is a 16-inch water wave wig, and in the package they sent wig caps, and it has 2 wig caps in here. They sent a couple of coupons. No, this is asking for a survey or a review, so they sent 2 of those. Okay, they sent a headband, which I think is a pretty cute headband. Sent a headband, and of course the wig. So this is the wig. Like I said, it's a 16-inch wavy wig. It comes in netting. Ooh. And of course, as you know, it's synthetic. Okay. So this is a wavy wig. It comes with just the paper to keep the shape of the wig and the construction of the wig. We have, of course, the headband going around, and it closes using a Velcro. And it has combs, a total of 4 combs. So it has 1 at the nape and 3 coming around the wig. This is a wavy wig. Girl. All right, let's put it on and see. Oh, my hair. The way I have my hair is just have it slicked back, and I have a bun. I think my bun could be lower still, but I have a bun right here. So let's put on the wig and do our review. Okay. Okay, let's go. So put on. Okay. Ouch. Okay. Ouch. Oh my God. Okay, so when I first put this on, I thought it felt a little bit snug. So would I say it is big head friendly? Not really, because honestly right now it's the combs are digging in. It's not sitting as flush or as comfortable as I would like it to. So I would say this is not big head friendly. Oh gosh. Let me close up the Velcro, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, let's try again. The Velcro is not catching. So let's make sure that there's no hair in the way, preventing it from adhering. Finally got the Velcro to close, but I still don't feel comfortable with this wig. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I think this was a waste of money. And I know you could tell from when I... Okay, there goes the Velcro. It did not stay. Snapped. And I know you could tell from my reaction from the minute I pulled it out of the bag that I wasn't happy with it. I know this is synthetic, but they say you're not supposed to wet it. But I'm gonna try something. Bear with me. let's see if it does anything different than what it's doing. See, I'm still giving it a chance. I'm not ready to say, yeah, this is it, drag it off my head and throw it away. Because honestly, I've had this sitting around for a while. I bought it months ago with the intention of doing a review, and I forgot about it. I don't like the water wave. Nah, this is not cute. But like I said, let me try some. Where is it? I'm glad I have all my products and tools in this bathroom, because if I was in the other bathroom, I would have given up already. Let me fix it. I have to be like more positive, like the other girls on YouTube who do these wig reviews. Let me see what I could do with this. But before I even do that with the mousse, because I'm going to try and put some mousse on it and see if it does anything, let's put on the headband that they sent with it, which is really pretty. I like this. I could wear it with another wig. So let's see. Be positive, Denise. Be positive. Okay, this is a cute look. I like the headband, honestly. I really like the headband. Some people may not, because it's kind of colorful, but I like color. Okay, I should probably turn around so you can see the back as well, right? Let me fix it. The headband is doing some stuff back there. Let me fix it. And then I'll turn around and y'all could tell me what you think. Make sure you leave in the comments what you think about this wig. Do you have this wig? All right. Move forward so you can see that's where it stops. That's the bump right there. I don't know if you could see, but that's the back. That's the back. All right. I was really leaning towards this because, you know, of our wavy hair texture. My hair is natural, so I was leaning towards this wavy hair texture. But I don't know if I could go outside in this. It's not cute. But like I said, let's try. It's a synthetic wig. Not supposed to wet it, they say, but nowadays they've gotten a lot better as far as wigs are concerned, and you're able to apply a little bit of heat to it, you know, add water and stuff. But I don't know if I could do that with this wig. It didn't say it in the description. It didn't say it in they don't have a card in it where it tells you what you could do. I think it's supposed to be just put it on and go. But let's see. Just take a little portion and put some mousse. So this is Herbal Essence mousse. Got this from Family Dollar. It smells so good. Of course, you can always get mousse from the Dollar Tree. I buy them too, but I like this because it smells so good. So I'm applying it, and all it does is make super shiny. Okay, dry it. Let me see what you do when you dry it. If you look any different. At least it makes the hair smell good. Not that. Yeah, it doesn't stink or anything, but it smells better with the mousse. Is it doing anything different? If you see me looking beyond, it's because I have a mirror directly behind the camera. So that's what I'm looking at. Okay, so we did mousse on this side. On this side, let's do a little bit of water and conditioner combination. How about that? Forgive the noise in the background. They're outside acting up. So let's do. So this is water and conditioner mixed. Put it on this side. All right, I'm gonna give it Gotta be fair, right? So I'm gonna give it a few minutes to dry, and then I'm gonna come back and see if it doesn't make a difference. Okay, like I said, you gotta give it a chance. Let me add some more mousse, make it a little bit more defined, a little bit more a bigger space to actually judge. I'm gonna do that on both sides. So I'm gonna add more mousse to this side, I'm gonna add more water to here, and I'll be back. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, and this is what the hair is looking like. Remember, we have mousse on this side and water and conditioner on this side. So this is still a little bit wet. The mousse is already dried, or almost dried, I should say. And if you look at it, you can see a difference. Yes, it took to the mousse and the water and conditioner, no. But let me move in closer so you can see. So that's the water side, and that's the mousse side. Is there a difference? Let me give you a minute to look. Is there a difference? Do you see a difference in it? Okay, but yeah. So this is one of those wigs that is not gonna be my go-to. I'm not gonna return it. I'm not gonna throw it away. What I can do is probably wear it to the gym. Let this be my you know, sometimes you don't want to do your hair when you go into the gym. You're gonna sweat it out anyway. So throw this on with your gym sweatband and get your workout in while still looking cute. May not be the cutest wig, but you could still look cute. One of the ways I'll probably wear this is, of course, in a ponytail. Let me put it up in a ponytail and see. So pull it back. Now you could leave out a few wispy strands if you want to. Of course, you will put it underneath the headband, of course. And let me bring this down. Like I said, the Velcro kept opening, finally closed it. And then this is this hook. I don't know if you guys ever seen this. Instead of the regular ponytail holder, you have this one with the hook on this end and hook it. I love these. It's so much easier to work with than the other one, you know, because usually when you put the other one around, you're pulling your ponytail through. Some hair come through, some don't. With this, you just wrap it around. And I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link below as well, along with the link for this wig if you're interested. Let me do my best to wrap it around the pony that's there. You guys also do that when you're doing your hair, you're working on the back, you close your eyes. Alright, so yeah, this will probably be the way I wear this wig, which isn't bad, right? Just keep on your headband and make sure that the headband for the wig is not being exposed. But this is a good way to wear it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it and use it probably as my gym wig. There's some days where I just want to throw something on and go. So this might just be it. Alright guys, so that is the video of my review of this Amazon, how long? 16-inch water wave wig. Again, not my favorite, but still doable. I'm gonna keep it. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I do these reviews on wigs all the time. And then you could see my other content where I review reality shows. I'm sure if you're like me, you watch reality TV shows too. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and everything is separated by playlist. So if there's something that interests you in one playlist that doesn't, you could also watch the playlist. Okay, again, thank you for watching my video. Let me know what you think of this wig. Would you go out and purchase it after my review? Would you buy it? Do you have it? Do you have something like this? And leave your comment in the comment section below. Thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, take care of yourselves and your family. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.